Hey online shoppers, are you eyeing those trendy deals from Queen-shaped clothing? Hold up, because I've got the inside scoop, and you'll want to hear this before you hit buy. Queen-shaped clothing exploded onto my feed this year, promising runway looks for bargain prices. But here's the harsh reality. In 2026, this site is ringing every alarm bell in the book. Let's break it down. First, non-delivery is a huge issue. Tons of people, including some of my friends, paid for clothes and never got a thing. If you do reach out, you'll probably just get a canned your orders delayed email on repeat. Sound familiar? And even if items are listed as in stock, weeks can go by before they suddenly tell you it's out. Meanwhile, your money? Gone. Now about those gorgeous photos. Turns out a lot are just ripped from higher-end brands or sites like Temu. What you actually get, if you get anything at all, rarely looks like what you saw online. And refunds? Good luck. Most shoppers say once you pay, especially with anything other than PayPal or a credit card, it's nearly impossible to get your money back. So, how can you shop safer? Stick to payment methods that offer protection. Always check for that little padlock in the address bar. It means the site has a real SSL certificate. And don't just trust the reviews on the company's website. Dig into social media or Trustpilot for the real story. Bonus tip. Legit stores should have a physical address and clear contact info you can verify. If you've already ordered and heard nothing for 2 weeks, contact your bank ASAP to dispute the charge. Bottom line. Queen-shaped clothing is looking more like a scam than a steal in 2026.